Hi love, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today's video we are learning how to make this easy chicken stir fry sauce. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So with the chicken, you can use any chicken you prefer. You can use chicken thigh or any part of the chicken that you want to use. You don't necessarily have to use the chicken breast, as you see everybody is in it. Most people use the chicken breast because it doesn't have bones in it, and then it is very easy to work with. Here I am using the chicken thigh, the heart, so I'll just go ahead and cut the chicken into my preferred sizes. So this is the bone I was able to take the meat out of. Yes, so I'll just go ahead and wash my chicken very well and then proceed with the procedure by adding the spices and all that. So I added the chicken spice, I added curry powder and some cube. I don't like using a lot of spices in my food. I went ahead to add some corn flour. Yes, I did a mix. Yes, so you go ahead and mix them together and then you set it aside for it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. I then went ahead to cut my green pepper, my carrot and my onions. Normally, I want my vegetables to be in a straight form, so I'll go ahead and cut it this way, in this dimension, so that I'll get that preferred shape that I want. In a bowl, I added 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour, even though later when I realized that it was too much. So you can decide to use one or even less depending on the quantity of chicken sauce or beef sauce that you are making. I went ahead to add some ketchup. So if you don't have ketchup, you can add tomato paste. Yes, and then I went ahead to add some black sauce to it, added water, mixed them together, and then I set it aside. So I wanted it very light, so I added some more water and then I stirred for some time and I set it aside. So I learned a certain tip and I wanted to share it with you guys. So before I placed the rice in the green bowl, I added the small bowl inside the green bowl so that it will enable it to create a certain hole in the rice and allow me to put the sauce into the hole that has been created. Y'all can try it and let me know how it went. Thank you all for watching. Kindly do well to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye.